Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2450. I want to show you how to copy document with this printer. Open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see arrow on the top left side of the printer. Close the cover. Then select this button to copy the document in color, or select this button to copy the document in black. Just select the button once, then wait for the printer to print out the document. This is the document we copied in color. If you want to copy it black, then select this button once. If you want to copy it two, you need to press the button twice. This is the document we copied black. Copy this one in color. If you want to copy document two-sided, select this button once. This is the document. To print two-sided, reload the document on rear paper tray with the printed area already at the back. Then select copy to copy the other page. This is the document we copied two-sided in color. So this is how to copy documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.